Before we go and talk about the horizontal transformation of a sinusoidal, can't say that word, sinusoidal, still can't say that word, sinusoidal, there you go, function, we're going to talk about frequency. Now, frequency is the number of cycles that a sinusoidal function completes in a unit of time, maybe seconds. All right, so, and it's also defined as 1 over the period. Now, how did we just define the period? Well, we just said it was 2 pi over the absolute value of b. And so if that's 1 over the period, then we can also indicate that we can find the frequency and define it as the absolute value of b over 2 pi. All right. All right, let's see what we got here. The same scale, in the same scale, the C above middle C has a frequency of 524 hertz. Write an equation for a sine function that can be used to model the initial behavior of the sine wave associated with this C having an amplitude of 0.1. Well, let's focus first on, okay, we're told that the frequency is 524 hertz. All right. So, what does this tell us? How can we figure this out? Well, I guess we could set this up as a ratio where, well, let's do it like this way. We could actually then define this as the absolute value of b equals 2 pi times the frequency. And we're told the frequency is 524 hertz. So let's see, what's 2 pi times 524? Well, we're going to leave this in an exact value, so I'm going to take 2 times 524, which is 1048. So B is going to equal, maybe I should write it like this. B is going to equal 1024 pi. All right, well, there we go. That's not too bad. All right, so let's finish. Now, we're also told this has an amplitude of 0.1. So we could set this up then as y equals the sine 0.1, because we got an amplitude change, 0.1 times the sine of 1024 pi times whatever time measure we got. It might be seconds, it might be minutes, whatever it is. Did I do that right with the 524? Yeah, oh no, it's 1048. 1048. 2 times 524. 1048.1024. Sorry about that. Oh, learn from your mistakes. You want to have fun? Win. You want to win? Work. When you work, learn from your mistakes. All right, using frequency to write a sinusoidal function. I said it that time.